Hi everybody, best wishes to all of us. On this occasion, I will read a narrative about bicycles and compasses. First, definition and history of bicycles. A bicycle is a 2 or 3-wheeled vehicle, has handlebars, a seat, and a pair of pedals that move the legs to run it. Bicycles are one of the most important means of transportation in the world because, besides being environmentally friendly, bicycles are also a milestone in the emergence of other vehicles. The beginning of using bicycles in Indonesia was during the Dutch colonial period. The Dutch brought bicycles made in Europe as a means of transportation during their occupation of Indonesia. In the 1980s, the popularity of bicycles in Indonesia began to be dominated by modern bicycles, such as mountain bikes, urban commuting bikes, children's bicycles, and later folding bikes. Bicycle functions and benefits. According to Kurnia 2015, cycling makes the body do physical activity and exercise so that it makes the body fresher and healthier. Some of the functions of a bicycle include the following. 1. As transportation. Bicycles become the main means of transportation in the 18th century. Along with technological developments, now bicycles are only used as a secondary means of transportation. 2. As sports and competitions, bicycle racing. Apart from being used as a means of transportation, bicycles are also used for recreational or sports activities. Many cycling enthusiasts carry out these activities in various fields with the aim of exercising. Next, let's know the definition and function of compass. Compass is a navigation tool for determining cardinal directions. The working principle is in the form of a magnetic pointing arrow that provides a reference in a certain direction that aligns accurately with the Earth's magnetic field. The main function of the compass is to determine or know the direction and degree of a direction, also to find out the location of terrain based on the map. Types of compass. Compass is divided into two types. 1. Analog compass. An analog compass is a compass commonly used in everyday life, including by Scout members. Using an analog compass manually, namely by aligning the compass line contained in it. 2. Digital compass. Digital compass is a compass that works digitally. This type is usually included as a navigation system in the world of robotics or in electronic gadgets. Okay, that's my narrative. I'm Rido. Permission to say goodbye. Keep healthy and always happy.